Welcome back to the class of physics by the Vijay sir. In this class, we discussing about Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law, the force of attraction or repulsion between two stationary electric charges is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of two charges, and it's inversely proportional to the square of distance between, and this force act along the line joining those two charges.
Two charges, this is one charge, this is another charge. Charge q1, this is q2. The force of attraction between two bodies F proportional to the product of two charges q1 and q2, and force of the two bodies F inverse proportional to r square. It is a r distance between two charges, small r. It is equation 1. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, F proportional to q1 q2 by r square. Now here gravitational constant F is equal k into q1 q2 by r square. Then k is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. You can write as F is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. This is the force of the two charges. Okay. Force of the two charges. If taking, this is positive properties of point charges. It is positive charge. This is also positive charge. Between two positive charges, force is repulsive force. Between two positive charges, force is repulsive force. Then same we taken two negative charges, both are two negative charges. Between, this is negative, this charge is negative, again this charge is also negative. Between two negative charges, force is also repulsive force. Here point two like charges between Coulomb force is repulsive. Two like charges between, this is two like charges, this is also two like charges between, force is repulsive force. Then we take another one positive unlike charges. These are both are two, both are also two. One is positive, second one is negative, this is a positive, this is negative. Between these two charges also have a attractive force. Any two like charges between force is repulsive. Any unlike charges between force is attractive. And for if a positive charge, if you have any positive charge, like it is a positive charge, force, lines of force passing away from the positive charge. Then if it is a negative charge, lines of force towards the negative charge. It is very, very important. This is a positive charge, this is negative charge. In a positive charge, lines of force away from the charge. In a negative charge, lines of force towards the charge. This is Coulomb. F is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal 8.9875 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter square by Coulomb square. This is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here epsilon naught is a permittivity of a free space.